Let's take a closer look at this Gotega external CD DVD drive, and it is a burner. Now, I've used this with my laptop right now. I had to burn a couple CDs, but I also had to load something on my laptop and I needed a CD player. Now, my favorite thing about this is it is so slim, it's small, and it's very easy to use. It does use a USB 3.0, which means it's very fast when it's reading your CD or your DVD. Now, there's a spot on the back. Look how convenient that is. So you can store the cable right in the back. All you have to do is plug this in to your laptop and it is ready to go. Now, it has worked very well for me. I've had no issues with it to date, and I can easily take this with me because of the size. It's so slim. I could store it in my purse or in my bag. I highly recommend this Gotega.